Welcome. In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S20 FE, and in this video I will show you what to do if your fingerprint scanner doesn't read your fingerprints correctly. So let's set a new fingerprint on your device in a correct way. To do that, first open the settings on your phone, then scroll down to security and privacy settings. Here you're gonna have to enter the lock screen. Go to fingerprints, click continue, then first select a secure screen lock. In my case I'm gonna use pattern. I'm gonna make it like this, then confirm your pattern. And once you set a pattern on your device, so what you're gonna have to do is press the fingerprint sensor with your finger, but also make sure, let's first remove the case from the phone to ensure the better experience, and also wipe the surface of the phone screen with a dry towel for the same reasons, so that it can read our fingerprints better. And also the last thing that I want to mention is that if your device uses a screen protection, in my case it doesn't have any on it, but if you do use any screen protection on your device, then either ensure that it's an original screen protector, or at least not a cheap one, and the one from a reliable distributor, because cheap screen protectors can interfere with the fingerprint recognition process, especially on Samsung phones. Usually Androids don't have such problems, but generally if you have any screen protection and your fingerprint doesn't work, that means that you should replace it with the original one. So let's click register and then press the fingerprint scanner. Lift your finger once the icon is filled. Use different parts of your fingerprint, and also make sure to move your finger around the screen following the icon. Just add your fingerprint over and over until it is added. Okay, and once it hits 100%, click done and go back to the settings. In settings, select software update and check if your device has any updates to download and install. Of course, if your device does have updates, then install them and wait until your device is restarted, just to make sure that your software is in touch with your hardware. So now let me wait until the software update is finished. Okay, and once the updates are installed, let's first unlock the phone using the pattern, then wait until the phone is started, and then let's try to unlock it using the fingerprint. So as you can see, it worked for me the first time. Let's test it a couple more times. And as you can see, everything works perfectly. So I hope that I solved this problem for you, or helped you solve this problem. And in case this video helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.